In the 1950s, the Florence Cathedral, known as the Basilica of Santa Maria del Fiore, stood as an enduring symbol of Renaissance architecture and religious significance in Florence, Tuscany, Italy. Dominating the city's skyline with its majestic dome and intricate facade, the cathedral continued to captivate both locals and visitors alike. In the 1950s, Milan Cathedral, or Duomo di Milano, was a central symbol of Milan's rich history and architectural splendor. This Gothic masterpiece, renowned for its elaborate facade adorned with countless spires and statues, stood as the largest church in Italy and one of the largest in the world. The cathedral's intricate details, including its famous Madonnina statue atop the main spire, remained a testament to centuries of craftsmanship. Inside, the vast interior was characterized by towering columns, magnificent stained glass windows, and an atmosphere of solemn grandeur. The 1950s saw the Duomo continuing to be a hub of religious activity, drawing worshippers and tourists alike. This period was marked by post-war restoration efforts to repair damage inflicted during World War II, ensuring the cathedral's enduring beauty and structural integrity. The Milan Cathedral not only represented a significant religious site, but also stood as a symbol of Milan's resilience, cultural heritage, and artistic legacy during the mid-20th century.